we found a playground.
It is.
It's a really big playground, but it's really probably quite dangerous. Yeah, so we don't know what this building was or what it happened to it at all. All we know is it's pretty cool, and there's a whole little town of these. So we're gonna go check out all these weird buildings, and it's kind of windy. We just pulled up to the ghost town of Rhyolite. So there's a whole ghost town, and there's an outdoor exhibit area that has like art. So we're gonna check out that part first and then go over to the ghost town. It's so windy outside, and there's these people out here on these dune buggies, so it's pretty awesome already. we came up to the actual ghost town itself. This place used to be like 10,000 people. There's some really substantial buildings, and we're gonna just kind of walk around. It's still windy, so we're not gonna talk a whole lot, but I'm gonna show you this place and take some really cool pictures. So today we learned that the old things were made out of wood. So the trains themselves, this is the inside of a train, and it looks like it has like a wood paneling in it. It is really cool, and it's really bright. So yeah, this is a really neat first thing we see when we get out into Rhyolite. Try to off-road. Okay, so it's a road, but it's a really ugly, scary road, and we want to go to these little houses at the end that we think are houses, and I'm gonna let you guys see this. Yeah, so this is what's going on right now, and we're in the car, so this is interesting, very interesting. There's like really a big boulder in the road. Like a huge boulder. Oh! Oh! Oh, we might need to walk.
Yeah, I'm trying to look. I was going to give it to this point, and I was going to turn around there if I needed to.
Yep. So this is what we see. You can see it in the lower corner. And I think you're next going to see us walking toward something. Because I think that's safer. Roadrunner's not an off-roader.
Absolutely.
trying to go inside this mine, and it's like super blocked off. You can see kind of what I'm looking at right here. So when you get in here, first of all, I don't know how they could have like got in and out. It's so small, like it hurts my back even to think about it. And then if you have somebody in front of you, you have their butt like right in your face. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But it's all, wait, we can't go in there.
That's a huge lot.
Yeah, we can't go in there. But it's really cool that you can come in at least this far, which is way more than most of the mines. So, yeah. This is definitely more of a hike. So that was Rhyolite, the ghost town, and then the cool little place that we have no idea what it is. Now we gotta go home and do the hard part, which is researching what exactly we found and what all those buildings were out there. We saw the one picture with the old town, what it looked like, and we're able to establish a couple things, but I feel like we really need to figure out especially that first place. So now comes the hard part. But we're gonna go home. It's about 2 hours away from where we're going, and yeah, it's a really long, flat drive of nothing. So, until next time.